chance of rain 80%. Wednesday, showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. Chance of rain 80%. Wednesday night, partly cloudy. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Defiance County, Putnam County, Paulding County, Henry County, Northeastern Van Wert County, Northeastern Allen County, Ohio, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bryan to near Paulding to 6 miles northeast of Van Wert, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Defiance, Napoleon, Ottawa, Bluffton, Paulding, Columbus Grove, Leipsic, Deshler, Kalida, Continental, Pandora, Holgate, Glandorf, Ottoville, Mcclure, Farmer, Hamler, Fort Jennings, Grover Hill, and May. This includes Interstate 75 near mile marker 141.